So I have another product with me today, and I think this is a potentially good product. And I hope this. I'm hoping that this video won't take too long. So let me just say that this video is gonna be. It's just gonna be a quick product review. So let's get right to it. Hey, what's up, Beardsmen and Gracious alike? Welcome to another episode of Beards and Stuff. And with me right here, I've got another hair. I wouldn't call it a beard straightening brush because it's not what it's intended for. That's not what it's advertised for. So anyway, let me just start off. Where did I buy? Where did I get this? Yeah, so I bought this from Lazada for only 100. No, I was gonna say 200, but this is only 199 pesos. Just 1 peso shy of 200 pesos. So anyway, I was really eager on checking out new hair straightening brush products, and I came across this one. So yeah, I was browsing, and most of them costs around let's say 500 pesos, and for the most part, for the most of us, 500 pesos is a lot. So when I saw this 199 no hair straightening brush, then of course I checked it out. I checked the ratings, and it has some pretty nice ratings, and I'll put the link of the Lazada store, or something like that, if I can find it, so you can check it out for yourself. Okay, so like I've said, I only got this for 199 pesos, and of course I'll show you. This is the box. And funny thing is, when the package arrived, it was in a plastic, of course, plastic bag, like not so big package. I was cutting through the plastic, and I also, yeah, you get the point. I also trimmed the top part, so yeah, it's gone. So yeah, there. So after that, of course, I checked out the product, and here it is. Look how big is that. That is some heavy duty product right there, and how thick it is. The name of the product is, I'm stuttering, Straight Artifact. Whoa, who knew? I feel like I'm gonna uncover something. Like can I carry this with me when I go excavating something or whatnot? Yeah, it's funny how these Chinese brands have a hilarious way of translating things and whatnot. So that's the name of the product, Straight Artifact. So I'm guessing this is the artifact, so it's the one that straightens the hair or things like that. So and one more thing, I mean, if you can read that, the brush that straightens hair. Oh my goodness, who knew? Okay, so moving on, let's talk about build quality. So this Straight Artifact has a nice sturdy material made out of thick plastic. If you can see, I think it can handle some heavy type usage. And let's flip it over. We can see the heating element. I don't know what color that is. Is that pink or hot pink or magenta? And look how deep it goes, the teeth or the tines or anything like that. And it has smaller teeth or tines or brush, or yeah, teeth. Let's stick with teeth on the sides to prevent prevent you from burning yourself or inflicting some damage. And you've got your 3D ceramic bristles with a silicone tip, so you don't burn your face off or your head off, like a 2 millimeter distance from the skin. So I think that's some nice distance. Although the teeth or the tines are not even. I don't know what's wrong with that. Okay, let's flip it back up again, and right here on the handle we can see the functions or the settings. You have your easy on and off button, also your temperature control buttons, the plus and the minus. And on top of that, you can see the LCD screen. There you can see the temperature settings. It goes from 180 to 230 degrees Celsius. And it heats up fast with a 60-minute auto shut-off. And in the box, it's indicated that it has a swivel cord, but as you can see, it does not. So that one is bad news. So according right here, if you can see, the cord is supposed to be 6 feet swivel cord, but it's not a swivel cord. Swivel cord is the one that you can twist around, so you prevent the cord from tangling up or anything like that. So let's check if it's 6 feet. Is it 6 feet? Is it 6 feet? I doubt that. It's not even 5 feet, so that one's a lie. Yeah. Not even the whole length of the product, the cord and the brush itself. It's not even 6 feet. So yeah, that one is another bad news. So that's the product features, and 2 of those product features are bad news. It's a lie. Yeah, a swivel cord 6 feet long. Nah. And so anyway, what I think about the product, I think it's very sturdy. I think it's strong. It will be able to withstand some wear and tear test here and there. I've been using the product for about a week now, and I'll make the demo on another video. I'll have the demo in another video, because I have a lot of problem areas on my beard, and I don't want the video to take too long, so I'll be posting the demo maybe next week or the week after that. I don't know, I'm not sure, but just stay tuned for that. So anyway, pros with the product, it heat hot. What? The product heats up. Yeah, it gets hot. Yeah, very hot. I might have burned, not really burned, peeled my skin or anything like that. I did some nicks here and there, because the tip of the tines is a soft rubber or silicone. I don't know. So they tend to bend, and my face gets in contact with a ceramic plate, so not really good. So the pros, probably it gets hot, to a certain point, which something like a soft or no sweet spot, then I'm able to brush my beard nice and gently, and things like that. So probably that's the only one thing. So that's probably just the main purpose of the brush for me. So anyway, the cons, as you can see here, as I've mentioned, look how, no, did I mention? No, I did not mention. As you can see how the teeth kind of shaped like that, like a dome shaped or curved shape, and they're not even the length of the teeth, up down. I don't know what's wrong with that. Maybe it's because it's designed for your head hair, maybe or probably, but you know, I can't complain. It does work. I just need to get that technique going to really help with my uh, uh, what you call this, trouble areas, things like that. So yeah, and one more thing, I don't know how long this teeth on the side is gonna hold up, because they're hard plastic, but look how bendy that is, and with the added heat from the uh, straight artifact. Yeah, I don't know how long it's gonna last. It's already bent right here, this side right here. So I'm trying to get it back to straighten it back, but you know, I think that's just the way it is. So yeah, one more cons is, of course, length. It's not 6 feet. Swivel cord, not swivel cord. You're stuck with this. You know, it doesn't move. It doesn't rotate or anything like that. I wouldn't say the color is a con. It's very small. You know, I don't mind the pink. It's very minimal, except the uh, heating element itself. You're stuck with it. I don't know. Maybe there's other types of colors out there. So I don't know, but this is the cheapest one I can get. So I'll stick with it. And yeah, so far it gave me some nice results. And yeah, like I said, I can't complain as long as it works, and it's cheap. And you've probably seen one of these in malls or somewhere, you know, I don't know if this is the cheap knockoff, or the ones that are in the malls are the expensive knockoffs, because yeah, you know, those expensive brands, they buy cheap products from China, such as this one, and they slap their brand or logo there, and they, you know, and they sell it for a ridiculously high price, like, oh man, like 10, 15, 20 times the original price. I mean, can you imagine? This is only 200 pesos. So yeah, who am I to complain, right? So anyway, my final thoughts. If you can, get yourself one, but I don't suggest that you force yourself to get one, because only if you can. Yeah, it's not necessary for you to use beard straightening products or anything like that. Or I don't know, if you use it on your hair, or yeah, that's fine too. But I don't think it's a requirement. But if you can, it's only 200 pesos. I mean, yeah, it's not that. It's not that. No, it is cheap. I was trying to say not that expensive, but what I meant is it's cheap. So yeah, get yourself one. Yeah, like if I can find the link, I'll leave it in the description box down below. I don't know how long it's gonna go on sale, because that 199 pesos is was sale when I got it. So just check it out. I forgot the original price. So anyway, yeah, if you can, get yourself one. But if not, you don't have to worry about that. But I myself, I want to make my beard a little bit more presentable, because I have a thick, coarse, wavy, curly, kinky beard. So I think it's a much needed what do you call this, device, uh, gadget, or well, a product for me. So yeah, there. So just watch out for the demo. Like I've said, it will take this video too long if I included it in this video. So yeah. Whew. So anyway, if you know, yeah, of course I was gonna say that, but that's it for this video. That's it for my review. Just a quick review, nothing too technical, nothing too over the top or anything like that. So anyway, if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, and if you love this no, if you love this channel, if you love the video, I don't know which is which, but if you love this video also and the channel, of course, make sure to subscribe. And if you really love it, also share this video, share the channel, share the love. Okay, to you out there, everyone, no, to everyone out there, keep safe, stay healthy, and yeah, I'll see you in the next bit. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, fantastic, fantastic YouTube channel to date. I'm Luigi and you're watching Beers and Stuff. And just as I predicted, this is not a short video. Oh my goodness. It is hard. It is hard. How am I gonna do that?